having been trained on this, on the preparations of the 3D data of SP and IP or resistivity survey, you see the essence of preparing most of your data, the essence of 3D over to this. Now let's look at this. If you view it from here, there is something you're going to say. This is our depth here. Definitely this is west. We didn't label it, we need to label it. This is the west point, while this point is the east. Now, most of the time when you view to the section, it shows you, when you're looking at it this way, this data is gathered from west to east. Now that's another essence of gathering your data west to east, because whenever you plot into these sections, you will find out that definitely if this is your west and this is your east, definitely this is facing, you see, you're facing, this is actually facing south, while you looking at it in the northwest direction, definitely you're looking at north, so this is your north. You are facing north, directly north from your system. Now, it is very easy for you when you understand these directions. It's easier for one to be able to look at the attitude of the structure you are trying to drill, or the structure you are trying to trench, if you understand the dipping direction. Now, if you turn this structure this way, definitely it has changed. You are now facing south. You see, you're now facing south, because this becomes your east while this is your west. So looking at the system, you're facing south. Now, if you look at this again, there is something you need to notice on these anomalies. Now, if you look at this, there is a slight continuation towards the bottom of an anomaly here, 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 and here. As they consist, you can see there is a kind of, but it is very prominent in this line 1. So that is it. It is very prominent here. This anomaly is very, very prominent here, you see. So you can actually see the relationship of each of your lines, the continuation. If you look at this, you can see, if you look at this here, you can see this is deeper here and also here. So you can see correlation of this particular structure down to here. Now this is chargeability. This is the chargeability section. If we bring in the resistivity section, actually it will tell us more of something more on this particular project. So that is just the essence of your 3D view. It makes it a bit easier, especially when you are trying to understand the depth and the altitude of the structure, because this is actually very important. If you look at this, it seems this is definitely this is your west. So if you look at this, there is a flat line structure lying towards the west here. You turn it here, also you can see this. And if you want to view this, look at this, also slightly going towards west, And that is how important it is to have a very clean view of a 3D, so it will actually make you understand the deep and the, you know, everything that has with the attitude of the structure you are trying to target.